Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I got another Ringke case here for the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So this particular one is the Air-S. This is $9.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. This is the black version. There is one other version that is clear, but I will be doing the unboxing with the black. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the eco packaging here. So just a very generic plastic bag type of case here, or box, excuse me, if you whatever you want to use, what term, but it's clear as you can see. So you can see the phone case in there, Ringke branding there, military grade drop protection, letting you know the confidence that you have with the dropping ability of it, and then the ultimate experience there at the bottom. On the back, it just kind of goes over once again the eco package stuff and all that. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy ripped open and throw it on the phone. So as far as everything that comes with the case, let's go ahead and just put the case there, is you do have, let's see, so this little bit of some information about different Ringke products, and you can get 20% off once you enter in this coupon code here. So got that. And then here is the phone case itself. So on the inside you have this soft filling coating, excuse me. But the texture in the inside is a little bit more rougher than the outside material, but this is what's going up against it. So it says it's a micro dot pattern and then true color expression, whatever that means. Yeah, and then here's the outside of the case. So let's go ahead and throw the phone on. So got my iPhone 12 here, and just pop it on like so. And there it is on the phone itself. So if you are fans of the Spigen Thin Fit, then this is pretty much identical to the Thin Fit case. So basically the same type of material, kind of this matte material here, very smooth, soft kind of a polycarbonate material or TPU, but definitely feels good in the hand. It's very slim, adds probably no real noticeable bulk or weight to the phone itself. Does have a little bit of some lips there, as you can see with my fingers up against it. So it's going to give you that confidence of putting it face down on the table. And then kind of the same thing with your camera bumps here on the back, or camera bump, not bumps. But you do have a raised lip there that is protecting the camera lens from scratches and things like that. So you also have that confidence of putting it face down, and there is no shake really noticeably until you hit it in the corner here. And then when you do, you can see that it is shaking quite a bit actually, but when you do it over here, it doesn't move at all. It's just right until you get there. So definitely does have some shake if you care about that, putting it back down. But once again, you do have that confidence of being able to put it back down with that raised lip. There is some branding there for Ringke, so as you can see there, branding right there on the bottom corners. And then you do have these lanyard cutouts right here at the bottom on the left and on the right. So it's their Duo Quick Catch, I think is what it's called off the top of my head. Yeah, Duo Quick Catch. So you can hook a lanyard that has two parts to it, and just have that added confidence of having it attached in two areas versus just one. And then of course you got your matching power button there, matching volume up and down buttons, a very generous cutout for your alert slider. As far as the cutouts for the lightning port and the speaker grills, they are nicely precise and cut out there. And then let's go ahead and do the button test real quick. So power button. Okay, and now the volume up and down. So very, very responsive. So let's go ahead and do the alert slider. Very easy to do. So very, very easy. And then let's go ahead and do the MagSafe test. MagSafe compatible. Didn't do the animation there for some weird reason, so let's go ahead and try that again. There we go. It gave us the sound last time, but not the animation, but there we are. And with it being so thin, the MagSafe charger instantly grabs. So definitely giving you that confidence of it not falling off if you're using it like on your desk or whatever the case is. It literally just boop, just grabs it, and there you go. So definitely MagSafe and Qi Wireless compatible. As you can see with this type of case, you are going to start seeing the oils from your skin show. So if you are someone who's like OCD about that kind of stuff, you're definitely, going to be wiping this phone down quite a bit. It does help with fingerprints, so the fingerprints aren't going to be an issue. But like I said, just your natural oils from your skin and your hand will definitely be an issue. But like I said, if you're like me, you're going to be constantly wiping it down anyway, so no big deal. But yeah, guys, there it is. That is the Air-S, the matte black version for the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. I think for $9.99, you definitely can't beat this. I would hate to say it because I love Spigen, but since this is a few dollars cheaper than the Thin Fit, I would actually suggest this one over the Thin Fit just due to the price difference. They're identical almost in the hand, the look, the complete wraparound, everything, MagSafe compatible, all that. So save the money and go with Ringke in my opinion. But hey, if you're a big Spigen fan like me, then maybe you want to spend the extra few bucks and go with Spigen. But yeah, guys, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Please comment and let me know how you like the video, if you've had this case before, Ringke in general or whatever, and then subscribe. And then, yeah, guys, we'll see you on the next one.